वेलकम टू प्रिंस शोल्डर हाउस 60 वर्ड्स एवरी मिनट हम डिक्टेट आपको कर रहे हैं सर जीडीपी वीडियोग्राफी से। आज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 82 है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। सर, दिस बजट has been generally proclaimed as a farmer oriented budget, and many people claim that a much greater allocation is there for agriculture. But if you go through certain figures, you will find that the revised outlay on agriculture is the year 1977 to 98 was rupees 1000 crores, and compared to this, the so-called higher outlay for agriculture is not high at all, and it is only rupees 500 crores. This is one part of the whole situation. It is actually less than what has been allocated in actual terms for the year 1977 to 98. Now comes another study bringing out the very alarming situation in the sphere of agriculture. What is the average annual growth rate is food grains production? A very detailed article has appeared in today's Hindu on the editorial page. While going through that and comparing with the statistics with the other available statistics, I find that it has been correctly pointed out that there has been a steady decline in the growth rate of food grains production in our country since 1980. This has been more since 1980, and therefore you cannot attribute this to the emerging drought situation in our country. In the years from 1980 to 1985, the annual growth rate in food grains production was 3%. In the 1985 to 90 period, it was 4%. It further declined to 2%, and in current year it has gone down below 2%, which means that it is going to be far lower than the rate of growth of population. So this is the situation, and this is one part of the picture. If you just try to find out the earnings of the farmers, you will see that again there is a decline there. From this observation of the agricultural sector, it has been amply proved that the situation in the agricultural sector is not at all promising and hopeful. And from this budget, one cannot have a hope that the situation that would be emerging will be better. With these observations, I would like to propose this budget because the overall orientation of the budget is still pro-monopoly and pro-landlord, and this budget is not going to change the plight of the vast masses of the people. Stop.